Hi there, my name is Adam B. Levine. I'm one of the founders at Tokenly, and today I'd like to show you the Tokenly Alpha ecosystem that we rolled out at the beginning of July. So, first off, I want to mention that Tokenly is a fully open source project. We are intending to make money providing hosted services, but we've been working now for quite a while and have just about 30 different components at our github.com/Tokenly repository. You can find Swapbot there, you can find Tokenslot 10, you can find our wallet, you can find literally everything that we're creating there. Everything is released under a GPL. This is one of our tools. This is a tool that's called Tend or Tokenslot, depending on what type of version you're using of it. If you integrate it into your website, it's called Tokenslot. If you use the standalone version here, it's called Tend. So basically what this allows is for anybody who has tokens to use them to spend on things. Tatiana Purchase, who's a singer and songwriter, set up this page. And it allows anybody who has either LTB coin, Tatiana coin, or Bitcoin to buy her music from her, and then she sends it to you. And in the future, it'll be sent automatically, or it'll download in your browser, but for now, this is it. So we're gonna buy some Tatiana coin from Tatiana, but we're gonna show that in just a second. Okay, so this is what a 10-page looks like when it's embedded on your website. In the future, again, we'll have much better integration with websites like this, but for now, you can still do everything here. You can still pick everything, you can redeem, and when you pay, it will actually be paying to the service, but it'll be happening through her website. So that's a cool feature of just kind of the way that Bitcoin services work in general. Okay, so here's Tatiana's Swapbot, and we can see that it's got some information over here. This bot is ready to swap Tatiana coin for LTB coin, Bitcoin, or other valuable tokens. And it tells the price. It says that Tatiana coin has a value of 15 Tatiana per single song download and 150 Tatiana coin per full album download. And it costs about 5 cents each right now. So we're going to buy 150 so that we can do that. So I will put in 150 into the calculator here. I can decide again to either pay 0.03 Bitcoin or 67,500 LTB coin. I think that's worth about $7 right now. So I can click that. It says waiting for 67,000 to begin this swap, send 67,000 LTB coin. So I copy that. I go up to my wallet here. And this is the Tokenly Pockets wallet. It's available on the Chrome store at pockets.tokenly.com. And this is basically a Bitcoin plus tokens wallet that allows you to do a couple of cool things. One is it allows you to name your addresses. So instead of dealing with the addresses, you are actually dealing with something named that you can remember, hopefully. Another cool thing about it is it makes it really easy to deal with tokens. We're going to send, I think it's here, let's check. Nope, don't have enough LTB coin there. Okay, gotta find 67,000 LTB coin. Okay, I think that there'll be some here. Okay, so you can see all the tokens I have here. I have quite a lot of tokens. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so a lot of tokens there. Paste in the address, and then 67,500 LTB coin. Click send, and it sends it. It's still sending, sent. Okay, and what actually, yep, there it goes. It gets picked up. What actually is happening here is this is doing all of the cryptography in your browser itself. So your private keys never leave your browser. It's a very safe way to work with counterparty in Bitcoin. So we've purchased 150 Tatiana coin. I can just enter my address here and click, and this will keep me informed. So we still have to wait for a couple of confirmations, and you can see down here, received 67,000 LTB coin with 0 confirmations. Okay, so we still have to wait for a couple of confirmations because the Bitcoin system needs to really verify that this is a real transaction. But in about 2 or 3 confirmations, I should have these available in my wallet. And again, because I've given my email address, I'm going to get emails updating me on every step of the way, with the final one telling me when my tokens are ready and waiting in my wallet for me to pick them up. So this is another swap bot. This is the WouldShare's bot. It's another just bot that somebody has set up to sell their token for their project, WouldShares. This is using the distributed collaborative organization model that Swarm has been working on. So we're really excited to see how this goes. And again, you can see here that it's pretty straightforward. You can buy, you know, if I wanted to buy 2,000 WouldShares, then I could spend this or this, and it would be very simple. Here's another one. This is for BitVPS. And basically, they've created a gift certificate token that allows anybody who possesses it to get $1 worth of credit with their service. And so you could see here, this is the redeem page, and again, this is on the Tend. So you can see that you just put in your email address, you put in the email address or BitVPS username of the one you want, you select the quantity that you want to redeem, and then down here, they only have one option for redemption. You can redeem it for Bit VPS credits, which is the token that they're selling over here. And it's pretty straightforward. This is the Max Jackson bot. I wanted to show this one to you because even though it's a really new one, I really like this idea. This is essentially composer and engineer Max Jackson's bot. He sells a token here called MXJXN, Max Jackson, that represents 1 hour of his work or 2 hours of his work as a composer. So you can see over here, this is his redemption page. You just enter what you want, 1 hour of composition, rather 2 hours of composition or 1 hour of editing. Pick your quantity, tell them about the project, select your payment option, and here you see that he accepts Max Jackson, Bitcoin, LTB coin, or XCP for that same time. This is FLDC. It's the Folding at Home coin, and it's a project basically that's been bootstrapped on top of this distributed computing project called Folding at Home. Basically, when you fold and you participate in this project, then you get FLDC. And to this point, it hasn't really had that much value, but now the FLDC community has been setting up websites and shops and things like that. And so I think we're even accepting it at LTB coin for some things. This is a really cool one. Very, very excited to see this sort of thing push through. This is a project called Spells of Genesis. And Spells of Genesis basically is a collectible card game in the same style as Magic the Gathering, mixed with kind of a more mobile vibe to it. The games are very short and they're very strategic, and it's really cool. The point is here that this is a card that you possess in the game if you have the token in a wallet that is associated to the game. So I've actually already purchased this. There were 50 cards here, and I purchased it a little while ago for some storage. We can see on their page, I don't think this is publicly available yet, but it was showed to me this morning, and it's very cool. This is looking at my wallet here. This is the wallet that I purchased that card with. It's telling me that I have 14% of crypto assets available. These are all cards that are available in-game when you have the token. So I have in this one, of course, a Storage X card, and indeed I have access to it in the game now. This game, you can't actually play it yet. This is just demonstrating that you will have access to it. This uses a concept we call token-controlled access, and it's a really, really exciting concept because it means that you don't need to use a token for it to be valuable. You just need to possess it sometimes. So let's head back over to where we were purchasing from Tatiana. We can see we're still actually waiting for confirmations here. It's sent to my email already to let me know. You can see here you'll quickly receive the first of 3 updates designed to keep you informed. But that is the thing, is that tokens make sense when you don't want to use the thing right now. If you want to use the thing right now, most of the time it just makes sense to pay for it. With this in mind, I actually already... Where did it go? There it is. Okay, I actually already picked up some Tatiana coin. So we can just kind of go through with this. So I'm going to pay 150 Tatiana coin. And again, remember, we're on Tatiana's website. So I've already filled this out. Adam at Tokenly.com. Hey Tatiana, I love your stuff is the message that I'm sending to her. I'd like a copy of her For the New Year EP. I just want one. Click redeem tokens now. Alright, and now I'm prompted to pay. So I can pay by copying the address. Let's see here. I think I have these tokens in this address. Yes, that's correct. So I have 212 Tatiana coins. Paste in the address, and I'm going to send 150. All right, that's been sent. And there it is. Payment of 150 Tatiana coin received. The merchant will be notified upon confirmation. You no longer need to stay on this page. And that's it. Pretty soon I'll get an email from Tatiana saying thank you for making a purchase and sending me my album. And that's pretty much it. That's about all I've got to tell you today. One thing, if you want to get started with the Swapbot, you can head to tokenly.com/swap, and that'll redirect you here, where you can sign up for your own Swapbot. They cost $7 a month. And get started, you know. Whatever your idea is, let's hear about it. You know, again, there are so many different things that people are going to do with tokens that we really just don't know what's going to happen. If you have an idea and think that this is a solution for your problem, contact us. You can contact me directly at adam@tokenly.com, and I hope to hear from you soon.